Alright guys, what's up? We're here. Discount tire. There it is. 33s are going on the rig today. Super stoked. Alright, so I figured I'd do a before and after shot. This is with my General Grabber AT2s. They were great tires, but overall, I was just ready to move out to that 33. They were getting kind of old. This is the main reason I got the DirtCom trail swing, is to fit the 33 on the back instead of underneath the vehicle. The 33 doesn't actually fit underneath. Plus, that trail swing's just awesome with the fold-out table. Check out both of those videos if you haven't already. These Falken Wildpeak AT3s look incredible and are an all-around great tire. I've already actually hit the trail with them and they performed amazingly. I did have a little bit of tire rub on the front wheel wells on the back side of them, so I've had to do just a little bit more trimming than was already done there. After the trimming, it's good to go.